So today we just finished up our goal tree. So the goal tree is the outcome of our design sprint process. And what we do is we take them through the current reality tree, the future reality tree. Once we get the injections in the future reality tree of what we need to do, then we set up the goal tree. So the goal tree is a sequence of all our injections and the sequence that they need to be done in order to achieve high performance. Then we establish the critical success factors, which define the why. So we have our goal of becoming a high-performing organization. We have all the what we need to do. The critical success factor is the why. Now the next step is to identify the KPIs, or the key performance indicators, that we're going to use to measure our critical success factors when we move to implementation. So the team's really excited to get moving to start implementation. We got complete buy-in now. Now it's just execution. So we expect to get significant results. We're looking for breakthrough results in a short period of time. So within months, we should see significant improvement in organizational performance.